So now I'm just going to trim off some of the excess of the headstock. And I'll fine tune it on actual belt set. So it doesn't need to be too accurate right now. Just yet. Cut off the end. And there we have it. All right, on to some routing. All right, so now to get that bigger swoop in here. What I might want to do first, though, is actually get that flat. So I'm just going to use the flat side here to get that done. So I got that flat done now. You can see that it's very coarse paper, so it's really eating away. So I don't need to add almost any pressure at all, and it's taking away all that material. A very good thing, but a very, very scary thing at the same time. So just be careful. I'm gonna finesse that edge. Make sure I have it square. So now it's square and looking nice. All right, moving on. So I have a piece of oak with a square edge. So I can line that up with the line that I have marked out on the neck here. Sorry about that. That probably basically screaming in your ear. Yeah. So I'm using a hard line here to connect with the line on the neck, so that I can get the right thickness all the way through. I should be able to do this with just one piece of masking tape, but, you know, it doesn't hurt to be careful. The main thing is that you actually burnish it down so you have a very, very good point of contact. If you don't burnish it down, you might end up with some trouble. Don't need too much glue. Just enough to hold it down, because you're not gluing on there, you're just providing extra friction so things don't move around. There we go. Apply downward pressure, make sure you have a good point of contact, nothing's moving, and voila. We're good to start routing. Always make sure that there's nothing on the underside of your router table or your routing surface, and nothing, no rocking, nothing like that, because any of that will be detrimental to your work. So, starting from a movement, and little by little, I'm going against the grain here, so I'm really taking it slow so I don't get any tear out. If I were to rush through, I would probably tear out a lot of the grain, which would not be nice. So easy does it. And that's not what you want to do at all. You want to really go from a movement into it. So now, I'm glad I did it on my guitar, but now there's a little dip there that I have to correct later on in the build, which is very, very annoying. I almost did a big whoopsie there, but yeah, not going to do that. So, raising up the router bit to take off the router bit so high, you have to be really careful with your fingers. Make sure they're always kind of tucked together and away from the line of fire, so to speak. Let's see if I can do this a little bit better than last time. There we go. Of course it went better this time around. Alright, so without further ado, I'm just going to remove this and show you how to do the finishing touches. Now, a lot of times you would want to move on to a smaller router bit, but this is so much faster. So, using the same settings, I'm just taking that final bit. And now with the router bit so far up, I need to be really careful not to screw up and get my fingers mulched up. There we are.